Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to the beach with my family and we are going down to the Jersey Shore and yeah. So we're getting ready to leave right now. We have to go pick up my sister and we're gonna go get some breakfast from Dunkin' Donuts because I'm hungry and I need coffee. And yeah, so I'm vlogging on my big camera that I used to film, so forgive me if it's a little wobbly. I haven't gotten a vlog camera yet, but if you guys like these vlogs, then maybe I'll invest in one. So we are actually taking my dog to a doggy daycare facility. This is my dog. This is Roger. Say hi, Raji. Yeah, so come along with me today. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and let's go ahead and get right into it. Such beauty guru. Such beauty guru. So windy. Yeah, here's my mommy. Say hi, mommy. Hi, guys. Say hi. Hi. So we're at the beach. We're at the shore right now. And yeah, that's really the update. It didn't even take that long to get here. I expected it to be way longer, but it wasn't. I dropped my dog off at daycare and I miss him so much. I miss Roger. But yeah, it's really crowded here. And it's really nice. It's a lovely day for the beach. We're sitting in the shade, obviously. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Bye guys. Boardwalk right now. We just got back from the beach. It was so nice. It was very cold in the water, but it was nice. So we're walking to the boardwalk. We're gonna hang out for a little bit and then head home. It was a great beach day. So I'll see you guys in a second. Home right now. The lighting is terrible right now because I'm sitting in the car with my baby Raj. Come here, be cute with me. This is Roger. we dropped him off at daycare. I think I've said that to you guys a few times, and he did so great. This was his first time at daycare. I'm definitely not one of those people who bring their dog to like daycare like all the time or anything, but this was actually our first time like leaving him by ourselves, because if you guys know, I just got Roger pretty recently, so I didn't want to leave him at home for that long because we did go down to the shore. I don't know if I told you guys where we were. We were in Point Pleasant, New Jersey, and it was so nice. We went to Jenkinson's. I don't know if you guys will be able to see my wristbands, but if you remember on Jersey Shore, they used to go to this place called Jenks, and that is where we were, and I was like, oh my god, Snicky was here, but Throwback Thursday, anyone? Throwback Tuesday? But yeah, we are on our way home right now. We have to drop my sister off in the city because that's where she lives. And yeah, then I'm heading back to my house. And it's been such a great day. I think I got a little bit of a tan. Also, I got a selfie stick, which is so amazing. I was one of those people who was definitely a hater of the selfie stick. Like, I was like, those are so dumb, like so conceited and everything. But let me tell you, it is a blessing from above. I'm going to take it when I go to Six Flags with my friends and everything like that, which I will probably vlog as well if my friends want to be on camera, because being on camera can be a little weird to other people. I was vlogging close to the boardwalk today, and I got a little bit of weird looks, but you know, it happens, right guys? Right. So yeah, we are heading home right now on the highway. We just stopped to get some Starbs. Even though, honestly, I'm more of a Dunkin' girl. I love me some Dunk. Dunk is bae. So, yeah, I think that's all I have to say for right now. Enjoy some montage shots, and I'll talk to you guys in a minute. End of this vlog. I really hope that you guys enjoyed just a beach day with my family. But if you guys like vlogs, definitely give this a thumbs up so I know, and subscribe to my channel to look forward to videos every week. And I think that's all I have to say. I got really tan. I didn't know. Mommy, you can't be that loud. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thumbs up if you want me to do more, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.